All right, today I'm gonna go check out the sticky waterfalls. I'm gonna hop on this awesome ass scooter. Let's go ahead and pack up my bag, get on the road.
I thought I saw the devil this morning, looking in the mirror, drop of rum on my tongue, with the warning to help me see myself clearer. I never meant to start a fire, and never meant to make you bleed. In the devil, in the devil, with the warning to help me see myself clearer. I thought I saw the devil this morning. I thought I saw the devil. On my tongue, on my tongue, I thought I saw the devil. On my tongue, on my tongue.
All right, well that was the sticky waterfalls. It feels like you're gonna slip. They're super sticky. Now it's time to ride on back home. Might even take the long way.
I thought I saw the devil.